Hello everyone, my name is John. Today, I will tell you how to set up integration to transfer new leads from TikTok to Copper. This is necessary to automatically transfer new leads from TikTok to other systems. For example, in Copper you can create new leads and conveniently work with them in the future. Now let's move on to setting up. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, select the data source system, TikTok. Now, select the system where you want to transfer new leads from TikTok. In this case, select Copper, create lead. At this stage you need to connect your TikTok account to the Save My Leads service. In this window you must specify the login and password of your TikTok personal account. At this stage you need to give Save My Leads access to work with your TikTok account. All access checkboxes must be enabled. When the connected account appears in the list, select it. Next, you need to select an advertising page and form. After that, click Continue. At this stage, you need to connect your Copper account to the Save My Leads system. In this window, you need to specify your email and API key. To get this data, go to your Copper personal account. Next, go to your account settings. Copy your email. To get the API key, return to your Copper personal account. Go to Settings. Integrations. API keys. Click Generate API key. Copy the API key and paste it into the appropriate field in the Save My Leads system. When the required fields are filled in, click Continue. When the connected login appears in the list, select it. Now you see the Copper fields for creating new leads. You can assign variables from TikTok to these fields. To do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Also select the status. Please note that you can use not only variables, but also enter values manually. When all the required fields are filled in, click Continue. At this stage, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Copper as new leads with each new lead from TikTok. If you are not satisfied with something, click back and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Copper. After successful sending, go to Copper and check the result. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the Save My Leads system and continue setting up. In order for new leads from TikTok to be instantly transferred to Copper as new leads, you need to enable Auto Update. To do this, click Finish Setup. If you want to change the connection name, you can do this in its settings. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.